since we know the movie by heart.
It's true. I could do it in Italian, I'll learn a lot.
That was because we messed up, so we thought. I told one of them I wanted to walk down the aisles this time. It's a headbanger song. It makes my head hurt.
You can't even tell what's going on, but it's crazy out there. We're having a snow cyclone or some shit. I don't know. There's like high, holy shit. Wow. Like high wind warning, and it was raining, and now the temperature is dropping very quickly. So it's like very intense out there. This is like fucking scary looking, to be honest. Wow, that is spooky. That is some spooky shit. I just saw someone like turn on their car and like, what are you doing? This is the time of the day when you're like not supposed to be driving. So like, what? Good, best of luck, good sir. I just wanted to show you that because I just looked out the window and there it was, but good, please be safe. Good luck. It is Friday the 23rd and I was supposed to be working today, but the library closed in advance of this yesterday, so I've had a very nice chill little Friday so far, except it wasn't nice or chill. I'm making it nice and chill. I woke up with I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my allergies because I've never had them before, and this year they've been getting worse for a couple of years, but like this year has been worse than ever. And like, I don't know if I'm like allergic to dust or like what's going on, but I woke up at like 5:30 today and just like, my throat and my mouth were itchy and my eyes wouldn't stop watering. And there was a lot of congestion. And it's not like I'm sick because it passes after I like get up, move around, take a shower, like have a bunch of water and like clear things out. And I also took a Claritin, which I don't normally do, but it was really, really fucking bad. So I've sort of been, it's only like 11. I've had like a whole day because I woke up so early that I've already like showered, washed my hair, done yoga, probably did something else, was cleaning a little bit, edited a video, and now I'm just chilling on the couch watching something, but we've got the extreme weather is happening, so yeah, that's my day. That's what I'm doing. And I'm hoping that the power doesn't go out and that I can make cookies, because that is my plan for today. I was thinking I'm going to like have some lunch, like clean up, and then make some cookies, because I'm just so hungry. I ate breakfast, but I'm like, my stomach is just so loud and I don't know why, but so yeah, that's kind of my plan. And I need to have a nap. I'm gonna have a nap at like 2 or something when I'm done with my movie. So it's my little plan for my little day.
I left it. I'm gonna And then the day he got there, he tested positive for COVID. And it's like, why would you even bother taking a test at that point? But, girl. Why did you bother? To some degree, right? Almost awful. I know, but did you see how it wasn't awful? That's what we really should notice.
Yes, it did.
Brent, I don't know what happened. What would happen if you break this?
I don't plan to.
And then
Girl, put your nail in like this.
It's a video, but thank you.
Is a presentation of
How you doing?
not knowing that
Yeah, me too.
put it on a display.
Oh, hi, sir. Hi. I'm sorry. I don't mean to have not loved you enough, sir. I know you love me. You look great. I'm just rolling around. I will. Oh, are you showing off? Thank you. Fantastic. Oh, it's cold.
Oh,
No.
you're cool, bitch.
Some pre-frosting Christmas morning cinnamon rolls. The good shit.
Looks like there's an end.
Being such a good boy, Fitz. You're such a good boy. No, lay down, lay down. Yeah, whatever.
Hey, buddy, you want to come up? It's
That's awesome though, Coco.
Make sure it's wine. You can feel the bottle.
there's LSS.
Could be.
What do you mean? Oh, same. Makes sense. Dude, they were so bad. They were so bad.
Not the normal behavior from what you would call the ice guy.
Yeah, but brain trauma and all that. Yeah.
Oh, it's very,
Yeah.
yeah.
Really? Jerky for
They
Complex.
have clearly dehydrated and
There's a lot of
other myself.
What is? Well, I'll drink the red and you can have the. What is? You want to sit next to me?
sitting.
Hey, boy. Favorite takes a long time. I wanted to not to start with the video. Do you want to switch with me then?
Yeah, things are ready here. Simply, I think I should put the basil right off of us. I think that would give us a little tiny. You know what? Take a picture of it. Yes.
You present the dish.
There you go. We need another chair. Dang. Let's go, girls.
I don't know, I just grabbed some of that, but I think it was just.
No, that's not what I needed to clarify. What I
That
needed
isn't
to
what she
clarify
said.
is that you. Lord help me.
Well, what the hell am I going here for? Alright. I'm gonna make an accusation. Nobody's in there.
No bros. I can get to the middle.